Hey guys, welcome back to Sebastian's TV here, and we're making slime. Brother's making blue slime, and I'm making red slime right here. Some red, see that red dot? And I have stuff to put in, and I'm gonna put stuff this in. This is the glue. This is the baking soda. This is some
Nice slime. Nice
and
slime.
we're gonna start putting stuff in. Stuff make the different colors.
How's it going?
Good. Ew. This is so good. Make it. You don't know.
You need to stretch it out and see how far it goes.
Okay, let me.
Ah.
Mine's all ready.
Is it ready?
Yes.
Oh. Ugh.
I like my slime.
You do? It looks
Can I throw yours in?
Aiden, did you put glitter in your slime?
Yeah. Can I
Yeah.
throw yours? Can I throw yours? Oh, yours is really good.
It does feel pretty good, huh? That's a great idea.
Whoa. I like my slime. It's kind of like pinkish, but it's red. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and give us a huge thumbs up and subscribe to Sebastian TV. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye. Woo! See right here, see it? Sorry for that. Have some slimy
It's baking soda.
baking soda, and we have some.
Say we have some contact solution.
Yeah. Hey guys. Oh no.
And then say bye. Start over.